Well, here's the four little babies. Wanted to take pictures, so I am taking a video. A video is a little bit cuter. There it is, or there's three of them. And there's one of them. Two are a little darker and two are a little lighter. Hey baby. Hi baby. Hey babies. Here you are. Here you are. They're nice and fat. I was going to say plump, but anyhow, they're doing real well sitting here. Not necessarily trying to climb all the way around or get away from me, or just crawl all over the bed. Got them in the bedroom here. And so, there you are. You see, get quite a good look at them. Hey baby. Hey baby. Hey baby. Okay. I don't know which one's which, but Sharon will share that with you, whoever is getting them. And there, I guess that would be about it. Okay. That's all for now.